What's up, everybody? My name is Vincent. Welcome to Cryptolution, where we talk about everything under the moon in the crypto universe. Today is Saturday, April 22nd. Now, we are making a special video today because we don't usually make videos on Saturdays. Now, why is that? And that's because Mad Labs, which is an NFT collection on Solana, has done extremely well in terms of trading volume. What do I mean by that? Just within the past 24 hours, we've traded over 379,000 Solana. That is millions of dollars. Now, we do know that the floor price yesterday, when this happened, was roughly hovering around 30 Solana. This morning, jumped as high as almost 65 Solana at the time of this recording. Now, in this video, I just want to share with you, are we going to continue in a bull market? Or are we going to expect some retracement, a pullback to the downside? And could that be a good time to buy in? Now, with that said, be sure to watch this video throughout its entirety. Stick around to the very end to hear my conclusion and statement. And as always, be sure to like up that button, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to join our Patreon page. And most importantly, please be careful with any of the scammers down in the comments below. I will never reach out via WhatsApp, Telegram, direct messaging, or email, so please be careful and invest safely. So guys and girls, let's get right into it. So right now, 883 of these NFTs are on the floor. Now there's both guys and girl NFTs. We're going to talk about that in a little bit, but let's go ahead and go into the charts. This is on Soul Sniper. Now you can see here that we are well above the 50% Fibonacci retracement level, which is this yellow line right here. And as you can see, we have definitely projected all the way up to the upside to as high as 65 or 67 Solana. Remember yesterday I mentioned that this is around 30, 35 Solana? Well, yes, you've seen a huge pump. Now, what we're seeing here is that if we do experience a pullback, we could see these prices revisit 52 Solana or lower than that. If it goes past that, then the next support level is around 44. Now, we do see that the amount of NFTs that are listed have absolutely dropped below 1,000 NFTs. We do need to keep that listing count below 1,000 in order to see price actions to the upside. So if we go even further down, then we could see floor price levels, say around 67 all the way up to even 87 Solana. That is just based on the Fibonacci retracement level. Now we got to look at basically the trading volume. We got to compare this Solana NFT to Ethereum NFTs. So yesterday we saw that Mad Labs had flipped Azuki, and Azuki is a top trade collection on Ethereum. And then this morning, believe it or not, Mad Labs becomes the very first NFT collection flipping Mutant Apes, CryptoPunks, and Bored Apes, trading around 6.6 million in terms of that trading volume. Now, we also got to talk about some sales. Now, these are some certain sales that I'm seeing right now. This one sold for around 706 Solana, which is absolutely crazy on the secondary floor. This was bought today. Another one that was bought today was the female NFT, and this was bought for 2,000 Solana, also for 43,000 US dollars. That is insane. And then one thing I want to point out is that Tristan OX said this: during the Mad Labs NFT mint, Solana had hundreds of thousands of requests. During that entire minute, not a single spike in failed transactions on the DeFi platform like Zeta markets and gas costs still remain at a fraction of a cent. Fee markets and spam prevention at work. So basically, this is going to show you why minting in bulk on Solana is absolutely amazing without having to spend a ton of money on gas fees, because again, it's super cheap on Solana. And also, something that Solana did announce today, which was on their official Twitter, said Solana's development keeps accelerating with ecosystem-born innovations like X NFTs. The Mad Labs mint showed that X NFTs, not quite an application, not quite a website, can create new types of experiences on Solana. So because of X NFTs, which is a new way of minting your own NFT, which is basically a new way of developing new experiences, it just goes to show that when developers come to Solana, they're providing new experiences because it's so cost effective. Now also, I want to share with you one thing and one thing only from Solana Sensei, which is a great reminder for everybody. Be careful with this big pump. If you are a short-term NFT trader or flipper, it is never a good time to buy the hype and let the FOMO consume you. Be patient. This is not financial advice. So that's a really great reminder. Never buy the pump. And if it does pump more, so what? You missed out. But keep in mind, you have to get in these projects really early or be a part of the minting phase in order to really see some profit. Right now, people could be experiencing a risk. So that's the last thing I want to share with you. Now let's go ahead and go back to the floor, because again, we got to look at these NFTs. Now, if you're looking for either guys or women, you can see here that there's a gender category, and there's the male and female. So right now there's a ton of males, but there's actually a limited supply of females on here. So these are the women that are fetching for a lot. And it's so funny because I actually saw the Solana floor price around 60, now it's jumped as high as 94. So right now I'm actually seeing that the female NFTs, believe it or not, are actually worth more than the actual guy NFTs. Who knows if that's going to change or not? But again, these are definitely fetching for a lot of different money, Solana floor prices, so forth, so on. So with that said, what is my conclusion and statements around this collection? I think right now it's too late for me to even buy into this collection. I don't even have exposure to this. And so it's too late for me to really buy into it. If it even goes up to 180 Solana, still I would not take that risk at this price right now. It is a huge accomplishment that in the past 24 hours, they reached almost over 400,000, but right now we're on 379,000 Solana trading volume. Could it go even higher? I think it actually could. I think it could break past the 400,000 Solana level. And what we could expect is there will be some retracements here and there. But again, that's all I can expect because there's always consolidation. There's always people taking profit. And right now, in order for prices to reach new all-time highs, we need to drop below 800. And if we do, you will see prices throughout the moon. So with that said, none of this is financial advice. Again, it's just my own opinion, just for your own entertainment. And I hope that this video has been educational around this collection because again, it just happened today. So with that said, if you like all the content that we share with you on a breaking news basis, be sure to like up that button, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to join our Patreon page to receive all the alpha calls in both buy and sell orders with the NFTs and cryptocurrencies. Until then, see you guys and girls next time.